Good morning, children. As you know, I have finished the chapter, okay, and I've also given you the syllabus. So I hope you all are studying. Okay, so today I would just like to do a revision of this chapter. Something unexpected happens, part 2, because that is what is coming in the syllabus, page number 61. Okay, this I had done before your unit test, so that is why I would want to do the revision. I'll just tell you the story in gist, or I'll tell you the story in short. Okay, now this story is about Heidi. Okay, as I told you, it's a story book, so if you get hold of this book, please read it. Okay, and when you read the story, half the story you will understand. So I would suggest you all, I would encourage you to please read. Okay, so in this story you have Peter, you have Heidi, you have Clara, you have grandfather. Okay, in the previous story we came to know that Heidi has got Clara with her to visit the grandfather. Okay, and Peter is Heidi's friend who takes the goat to be herd. Okay, so he takes the goat to graze. Okay, sorry. So now grandfather had promised Heidi and Clara that he would take them up to the mountain, but as we know in the previous story that Clara is not able to walk, right? So she uses a wheelchair, but Peter is jealous of Clara, so he destroys the chair, or he pushes the chair down the slope. Okay, Clara's chair. So then now grandfather has carried Clara and taken up to the mountain, and then he's placed her on the mat. Okay, and that place around is really beautiful. So the first question grandfather asks Peter when he sees him up there is, have you seen the wheelchair? Okay, and then Peter answers very innocently, saying, what chair? I have not seen any chair. Then grandfather does not ask anything much. Okay, after that, so that place where they are now, it's very beautiful. The sky was dark blue and there was not a single cloud. Okay, and there were a lot of flowers. Okay, so Clara wanted to go to the spot where the flowers grew to see if they were lovely as before. Heidi wanted to go, and Clara was happy sitting all alone on the mountain side. Okay, because Clara could not walk and there was no wheelchair also, right? So Heidi really wanted Clara to see the flowers. Now there was no option, right? So again she goes to Clara and says, come, let's go. So Clara says, I cannot walk. So Heidi says, come, I'll help you walk. Okay, she tries to lift, but then Heidi is shorter than Clara, so she's not able to lift her up. Okay, so then she calls Peter. Peter also comes to help, and then they try to lift Clara and make them walk. Okay, but then they are of different heights, Heidi and Peter. So that is why they are not able to make Clara walk. So then Heidi comes up with this idea that why don't Clara, why don't you try to step foot yourself and try to walk. Okay, first initially it becomes very difficult for Clara, but then Heidi keeps encouraging her. So then finally she's able to walk. So here you can see Heidi was really a good friend. Okay, she really wanted Clara to walk, and she encouraged and motivated her. Okay, so when Clara finally walks, or she can take a few steps, all three are very happy. Okay, so the story ends here. I will give you the revision question answers that needs to be done. Okay, if you see, the answers are all there itself. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you please ask me. All right. I think this is it. Okay, we've done with the syllabus. So if you have any doubts, please ask me and I will send you the questions. So please do the questions, and you can send it to me or you can check it yourself. Okay, and try to do it honestly. Okay, so whenever you are free, please try to read. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.